Hi there, in this video I'll show you how you can add contact buttons in your store without editing any theme code. I will use this app insert code header and footer. So to install this app, search insert code into the app store and hit enter. Here is you can see the app. This is the app I'll be using. Click on it and click on the install button. One more time click on install. Okay, so the app is installed but it is not connected. Here is showing that it is not connected. So to connect the app with your theme, we'll need to enable the app embeds clicking on the theme editor. So the app embed is enabled automatically. We just need to click on the save button. Okay, the scenes are saved. Let me go back to the app page. Here you can see the app embed is connected. So I'm finishing the setup. Here is the interface of creating any snippet. Right now we don't have any snippets, so without creating snippets manually, we'll go to the library, search for contact. Here is the snippet. You can click on the use snippet. I'm clicking on add to snippets. The snippet is already added here automatically. So right now the status is inactive, so for quick testing I'm activating it. Click on the save button and view the store page. Okay, I'm hiding this bar. Okay, here we can see that the quick button is already added. Clicking on it, here you can see all the contact buttons available here. So we can remove any of the contact buttons or set the values of the WhatsApp or the email or Telegram as well. You can also change the color of this button, this plus button. So we will only show the messenger and WhatsApp option, for example. So okay, to show the WhatsApp and messenger, I'll keep these two only and remove the others. I mean remove the other values. And here you can write the Facebook page username here. Here is your WhatsApp number. So clicking on the save button and reload the page again. Here you can see that the WhatsApp and Messenger is showing only. Right now I'll show you how you can change the color of this button. Okay, this is the button. So you can adjust the color to match with your brand color. Let me change the color to red, I mean the background color. Clicking the save, reload. Here you can see that the color is changed. You can also change the position of this button. For example, I'm making this from 20 to 120 pixel. Clicking save and reload. Yeah, now you can see that the button is far from the bottom. Same way you can customize the other things as well, the font size, the cap and other things. Everywhere you'll find the edit button. So you can change those things easily. For more customization, you can obviously customize the whole snippet if you have the coding knowledge. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.